Hi, Jennifer.
Yes, hi.
Hi, Jennifer. My name is Roger. You just filled out a form on social media about our holiday special for 3-room steam clean for $119.
Yes, I was wondering, Roger, is there any way I could get that deal after Christmas? Possibly.
After Christmas?
Yeah, would you still be running that deal maybe, in January? I have 6 kids and Christmas and bills right now, but I really want to call you after Christmas. I might be able to call you before, but it's probably not likely.
Where are you located?
In South Whitehall.
Oh, Whitehall?
South Whitehall. South
Right
Whitehall.
There. Right, near Allentown, right?
Yeah, 10 minutes from Dorney Park.
Oh, yeah.
I'm up Cedar Crest Boulevard.
Yeah, well, I come through there all the time.
Oh, good. Would I be able to call you after Christmas? Would I maybe still be able to get that deal price, or?
Well, for you, Jennifer, and your 6 kids, don't tell anybody, but I'll do that for you.
Okay, thank you, Roger. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You have happy holidays, Roger.
You're welcome. Put our phone number, my phone number there in your phone there, 610.
Okay, let me put you under, I have you under 866.
Right, no.
Okay, I'll make a new one.
610.
Okay.
202.
Okay.
2294.
Okay, great.
Roger the carpet cleaner, because that way I'll know that I really did talk to you, and I'll remember your sweet little voice saying, "Remember I called you back and forth."
Okay. Yeah, I really need you. My carpets are so bad. So I will definitely call you.
Now, keep in mind, if you have pets and a lot of kids and you have stains or traffic lanes, we have a scrubbing machine. This is a steam cleaning special. We have a scrubbing machine that we can scrub the 3 rooms first, and then we can steam them if they're really bad. And I mean, depending how your money is, that would only be $199 for it. But we scrub them first and then steam them.
Okay.
But I mean, that's even with the special now, because normally that would be $225. So when people are calling us now, they're like, "My carpets are really, really bad, Roger." I'm like, "Well, I can scrub them and steam them for you." They're like, "Oh yeah." Like, yeah, still save $25 right now, because it's the holiday. So I'll still give you that special if you want that. If you just want them steamed, then it's just the $119.
Okay, yeah, I'm probably definitely gonna. It's basically my hallway and stairs. It's really bad. We've been here 8 years and they're really dirty. Yeah.
Well,
I have to replace my carpet in my room, but the other 2 bedrooms and the stairs and hallway could really use it. The 2 bedrooms aren't bad, but the stairs are in the hall.
Yep, that'll cover it.
Okay, great. I'm gonna give you a call.
$199 if you want them scrubbed and steamed, so you can kind of bring them back.
Okay.
If you just want them steamed, then it'll be the $119.
Sounds good. I'm gonna call you after Christmas then, Roger. Thank you.
Thank you. And we'll talk to you then. Have a Merry Christmas and a safe Thanksgiving, okay?
You too. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.
All right. Bye-bye now.
Bye.